Welcome back. We are now going to suggest a layout for the appearance of our sales letter. And in order to do that, we're going to give ChatGPT some instructions in order to create the layout. We're going to write in our instructions. So what we've done is we are going to give ChatGPT some additional instructions. We want the chatbot to give us a layout. We want it to include the images that we have mentioned in this conversation. We wanted to position the sales video that we've mentioned in this conversation. And we also want to suggest an element that has not been mentioned in this conversation, which is the buy button or calls to action. Now that we have given the chatbot proper instructions, we're now going to click enter. What we're now going to do is we're going to attempt to get ChatGPT to rewrite the last sales letter in the context that it has just given us for the layout. So rather than ask the chatbot to remember, we're just going to cut and paste that same sales letter. We're going to ask it to suggest the same layout, but with the sales letter it's already created. We're now going to click enter. So basically what ChatGPT has done is it has given us a suggested layout. Now obviously we are going to have to make adjustments based on our own experience and what we think we need to do in order to sell to our customer. For example, the sales video is suggested near the end of the actual sales letter. Typically, the sales letter is going to be closer to the beginning or sometimes at the very top. But you do have a starting point to begin your sales letter, and you have a suggestion on how it should be laid out and in the order in which the content should be placed, including the images. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.